Welcome to Summarize Science. We all know heat waves are dangerous, causing health issues and straining power grids. But what if the true dangers are like a series of falling dominoes we've never fully seen? This paper introduces an AI system called HeDA, the heatwave discovery agent, designed to find these hidden risks. The problem is that there are over 50,000 scientific studies on heat waves, but the knowledge is spread out across different fields like health, economics, and engineering. No single person could possibly read all of this and connect all the dots. So, researchers built HeDA, a multi-agent AI system, to do it for us. It processed over 10,000 academic papers to build a massive knowledge graph, essentially a giant, interconnected brain of heatwave facts. This graph contains over 23,000 concepts and nearly 90,000 relationships between them. The really fascinating part is what HeDA discovered. It found 5 major, high-impact risk chains that were previously underdocumented. For instance, one chain it found was an urban water industrial cascade. This is how it works. A heat wave causes a surge in water demand. This leads to industrial water restrictions, which then causes disruptions for small businesses, ultimately hurting the local economy. Another shocking discovery was the transportation supply disruption chain. Extreme heat can literally warp railway tracks. This causes freight train delays, which disrupts supply chains and leads to food price volatility. These aren't just theories. The researchers validated these chains against historical events, like the 2003 European and 2022 UK heat waves, and the data matched. They also had 5 domain experts review the AI's findings, who confirmed they were highly plausible and relevant for policymaking. In fact, HeDA proved to be incredibly effective at this kind of complex reasoning, outperforming other advanced systems, including GPT-4, by a significant margin. This network graph here shows a visualization of these complex, cross-domain connections the AI uncovered. You can see how an event in the physical world, like a heat wave, cascades through social and economic systems. So, to recap the most important points, researchers built an AI that read thousands of scientific papers to find connections humans had missed. It discovered that heat waves can trigger surprising domino effects, like causing food prices to spike by disrupting trains or making local businesses fail due to water shortages. This work represents a major shift for artificial intelligence. Instead of just being a tool to answer our questions, AI is now becoming an autonomous agent for scientific discovery itself. In the future, systems like HeDA could help us get ahead of complex global challenges, from climate change to pandemics, by showing us the risks we never knew existed. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.